I'm Herb Weisbaum, KOMO News Radio, and this is Pet Talk with Brenda Barnett, CEO of the Seattle Humane Society. In this report, we talk about lawn and garden chemicals and how to keep your pet safe if you use them.
Some of the fertilizers, some of the plants and bulbs that we purchase can be really serious risk to our pets. So just take a few basic precautions and everybody can have a good time. First, if you're going to treat your yard, remove all of the pet's toys, food bowls, any beds or anything that are out there. Take them completely out of the yard, treat the yard, and then keep your pet out of that area for at least 24 to 48 hours. Read the directions on the package. It will tell you. If your pet does get out in the yard, rinse their feet with cool water. And if you think they've gotten a lot on them, use cold water, cool water, and something like Dawn dishwashing detergent. You don't have to use anything fancy, and you don't want to use warm water because that'll increase the absorption.
What kind of things could they possibly eat that's out there that could hurt them?
The two biggies, as far as I'm concerned, are slug or snail bait and that cocoa mulch. And both of them can be fatal in large amounts, and it's very serious. It's a little tricky because the symptoms are similar. They can get lethargic, they can be trembling, they can look like they have some kind of neurological damage, they can even go into seizures. So that is an emergency. In an event like that, you need to take your pet to the emergency veterinary hospital closest to you and don't delay. If you just suspect that your pet has eaten something and you're not sure, and maybe it's not one of these two things, then there are a couple of numbers that you can call and find out. You can try your local vet. If they happen to be open, they can probably answer the question. But if not, the ASPCA has an animal control hotline. There's a $50 fee that will be charged to your credit card, or the animal poison hotline, which is a $35 fee. So you can find out, if it's something, what the symptoms are, what to watch for. But, don't panic if you think your pet has eaten something. Look, see what you think they've eaten, gather it up. If your pet throws up, collect that as well, because when you do go to your veterinarian, they're going to want to know, and any information they have will be helpful in treating.
The other place you need to be careful is the garage, because that's where we keep a lot of these chemicals.
Absolutely. And beyond just the gardening things, it's licking the antifreeze off the garage floor, anything like that. So yes, absolutely. We really have to protect them because, oddly enough, some of these things that will cause them a lot of harm, they seem to like the taste of.
So the key is just be vigilant. If something happens, try to respond quickly.
Right.
Don't do anything on your own, because I know with humans, for instance, inducing vomiting can sometimes make the problem worse.
Absolutely.
So you want to talk to an expert.
Right. Talk to your veterinarian or one of these poison control hotlines. Or if you see serious symptoms like trembling, seizures, go right to the emergency veterinary clinic that's closest to your home.
And if you're interested in adding a furry friend to your family, stop by the Seattle Humane Society. You can check them out online, seattlehumane.org. Herb Weisbaum, KOMO News Radio. You can hear Pet Talk with Seattle Humane Society CEO Brenda Barnett every Thursday at 2:45 and 6:45 p.m. on KOMO News Radio, 1000 AM and 97.7 FM. Remember, the Seattle Humane Society has lots of great dogs and cats looking for loving homes. The Adoption Center is open every day from noon to 6 p.m. You'll find us at 13212 Southeast East Gateway in Bellevue. We're just off I-90 near the Factoria Mall. I'm Herb Weisbaum. Thanks for listening.